Welcome to Guess the Animal! Today, we're going on a jungle adventure to discover an amazing animal. Are you ready to play? Let's get started! Here's your first clue. Look at this close-up image. These are some very unique stripes, aren't they? What animal could this be? Take a moment to think about it. Hint, this animal's stripes help it blend into its jungle habitat. Our mystery animal lives in the jungle. The dense forests and tall grasses provide the perfect cover for this stealthy creature. It roams the jungle with grace and power. Have you figured it out yet? Here's another hint. This animal is a powerful predator. It hunts for its food and has a diet that consists mostly of meat. It needs to be strong and fast to catch its prey. Think you know which animal this is? If you guessed a tiger, you're absolutely right. The tiger's stripes help it blend into the jungle, making it an excellent hunter. Tigers are one of the most powerful predators in the animal kingdom. Great job, everyone! Did you know that each tiger's stripes are unique, just like human fingerprints? Tigers are also excellent swimmers and love to cool off in water. There are 6 different subspecies of tigers, including the Bengal tiger and the Siberian tiger. Aren't they fascinating? Thanks for playing Guess the Animal! We hope you had fun and learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting animal adventures. See you next time!
Goodbye!